Back again with another video. Today we got the RX8 Mazda. It's a Spirit R edition. First time I'm driving a rotary, so I'm mad excited. And I've had a few hours already of this in the morning, and it is absolutely phenomenal. Oh, we've got some cars out today. What we got? We've got Ferrari over there. We've got a Hachiroku on the left. See that? Yeah. Oh, that 9,000 red line RPM is a mad one. Oh, this is sick. So I just got onto the mountain, the Toge, back again at in the Ibaraki prefecture, mountain scuba. And yeah, I'm just literally enjoying this thing now. It is such a nice, responsive engine, and it just loves being winded up all the way to 9,000, man. There you go. Got another Mazda in front of us. What is that? Mazda 3. Oh, this thing is sick. Oh, I love it. We're gonna get slowed down now the whole journey. I just got on this road as well, so oh, I need to overtake this guy. But yeah, so far I'm enjoying this car. So you Mazda RX8 owners out there, I hear you now. I hear you. I know what the hype is about. Even though everyone complains about the maintenance and, you know, the whole engine rebuilding of the rotary and whatnot, it's a fun car. Can't deny it when when everything's working and spot on. Oh yeah, he's letting us go. Thank you, sir. Blind corner. Thank you. Let's give him the appreciation. All right. See, we've got the road back to ourselves. It's good condition today. Full sun. About 14 degrees. Let's see what cars are out today. Here we got WRX, BRZ, or G86. Oh shit! I didn't even see that guy who's on the left. Sun's quite blinding today. Never actually seen anyone just running or walking up here. It's a bit I'd say it's a bit dangerous, to be honest. Some guys bring up their cars here and just go absolutely nuts. It's like loads of blind corners, but you know. Oh, this thing is cool, man. I like it. And like, suspension is nice and soft in the streets. I've just been driving on the streets as well, and it's like absolutely fine for a daily. And then when you want to rip it, just bring it up here and just have some fun with it, really. Do a downshift. And the engine note is unique. I like it. I really like it. So I can imagine like getting a 13B or 26B or something, and then you do the bridge port or the street port. Oh, that thing would sound nuts. And I think this one here's got stock exhaust as well, so already it sounds kind of good. Brakes are spot on as well. Yeah, it's a fun car, absolutely. I think we're gonna watch our fuel economy just drop while I'm up here today. Oh, S2K. Some nice cars out today as well. Talking about. Oh, that is sick. NA rotary, yes. So I can imagine having a turbo rotary, that would be sick. But you know what, this NA one is just as fun, I'm not even joking. Especially up here when you got to keep braking and there's turns and that. I kind of enjoy the NA. Turning is so tight, the gearbox is good. So much fun just winding it out. Yeah, that is the spot right there where all that power is. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Spirit R model as well. You got the Recaro bucket seats. They are holding. They're holding in like really nice position. You ain't flying about. I heard some of the owners of the standard RX8, the seat bolsters aren't that supportive. But anyway, that's, you know, some opinions of some people. But these Recaros definitely hold you into place. And they're actually quite comfortable for like a long drive as well. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful, mate. Just sticks to the road nicely. Lucky we got the road to ourselves. Sometimes you just get trapped by minivans and all that, you know, sort of slow cars. Can't help it, but you know, we are lucky today. Literally whole road empty. It's that second gear that does it for me. I've reached the end of the line. Again, thank you very much for tuning in. Check out my next video next time when I grab something else, and we'll do the same thing again. All right, peace.